And welcome back to Primetime News. A special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com. Up first, this evening, police have seized over $27 million and arrested 12 people in a 3-day operation in St. James. The operation was led by the anti-lottery scam unit of the Jamaica Constabulary Force in the parish. As Krista Campbell reports, high-end vehicles and other items were also confiscated.
High-end vehicles, millions of dollars in cash, plus other items confiscated by the police in a major anti-lottery scam crackdown across several communities in St. James. Deputy Superintendent Dave Brown, who heads the anti-lottery scam unit at the Police Area 1 headquarters in St. James, says Operation Scam Done Justice a Run was launched on Thursday.
Over those 3 days, we've confiscated over $27 million in cash, 19,780 US dollars, 200 Canadian, and 380 pounds. We've also seized a number of electronic devices to include laptops, cell phones, lottery scam paraphernalia, lead sheets. We've also arrested over 12 persons.
He says the operation took place in Bogue Village, Rhine Park, Rosemount, as well as in and around the town of Montego Bay. He stressed the initiative will continue as police increase the pressure on scammers who are connected to gang activities that help push up shootings and murders.
We have also seized a number of high-end motor cars. These include 3 Benz motor cars, 3 BMWs, we have 3 Toyota Crowns, Voxy, as well as a Mark X. These criminals normally try to hide their money by funneling them through these pop-up car marts, and we intend to use our investigative arms within the JCF, that's the Financial Investigative Division, and JCF, so to try to trace these monies and to see their origin.
DSP Brown stressed that, like the rest of the island, St. James has been seeing a reduction in murders and the police are bent on maintaining that break. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.